When my time in the Coast Guard ended, I did not know what came next. I had no plan, and I had told no one in my family what happened.
The first thing that helped me find direction was not a perfect answer. It was finally telling the truth. If you feel lost right now, this chapter is for you. I was living in Petaluma, trying to find my next move and getting closer to giving up. I thought the situation was mine to carry alone. I thought telling my family would make me look like I had failed.
But silence did not make me stronger. It made me more isolated. I called my mother and my sisters. I did not call with a plan. I called with the truth. Then my roommate's girlfriend asked whether I had talked to my family. I had not.
That question did not solve my life. It helped me see the next honest step I was avoiding. I called my mother and my sisters. I did not call with a plan. I called with the truth. My sister offered me a place to stay without rent so I could breathe, clear my head, and begin finding direction.
That offer did not hand me a purpose. It gave me room to stop pretending I was fine and start asking better questions.
If you are new to POP, welcome. You're not late. POP is a rebuilding movement built on positivity, ownership, progress, and purpose. One honest step at a time.
Chapter 3 taught us how to keep moving when progress feels small. Chapter 4 asks, where are those steps taking us?
Purpose is often misunderstood. It is not always one job, one title, or one dramatic calling. It is not pressure from people who believe they know what your life should look like. It is not proving your worth through money, status, or approval.
And is not having every answer before you begin. Purpose is alignment.
It is the direction you choose when your values, responsibilities, strengths, and daily decisions begin pointing toward the same light. I did not always live that way. There were times I bought new cars while carrying debt because looking successful felt like proof that I was doing well. There were times I said yes to plans I did not want because I was afraid people would think I was strange or stop including me. Those choices look like movement, but movement without honesty can become drift. That is what we are going to confront in this chapter.
We will learn how to stop drifting, separate purpose from pressure,
use our values as a compass, stop performing for approval, make sure the mountain is ours, evaluate advice, and recognize the person.
Every lesson will give you one clear truth, one useful exercise, and one honest step.
So here is your first Purpose Series practice. Take out a journal, open a note on your phone, or use a piece of paper. Then answer 3 questions. First,
what matters most to me in this season of my life? Not what looks impressive. What honestly matters.
Second, where does my life feel out of alignment? Look at your time, habits, relationships, health, work, and inner life. Where are your choices saying something your values do not? Third, what is one honest step I can take this week toward a better direction? Make it specific. Make it responsible. Make it small enough to begin. Maybe it is making one phone call. Maybe it is saying no respectfully.
Maybe it is asking for help, changing one habit, or talking with a qualified professional. Do not demand a 10-year answer from yourself today. Purpose becomes clearer through practice. Choose one aligned step.
Pay attention to what it teaches you. Then choose again. Your values are the compass. Your choices are the direction. Your habits leave the footprints. And your purpose becomes visible in how honestly you keep walking. That is why this chapter will also take us onto the trail. Every bridge, climb, storm, and open vista will remind us that we do not need to see the whole path to take the next step.
So climber, welcome to Chapter 4, the Purpose Series.
Purpose is not performance. Purpose is alignment.
Choose one honest direction, then take the next useful step.
If this helped you take one honest step today, like this video and subscribe to keep climbing with us. Your next step is waiting right here.